Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be discussing how to create a successful social media brand. Whether you're a small business owner, influencer, or just looking to build your personal brand, this video is for you. Step 1. Define your brand's identity. Step 2. Choose the right platforms. Step 3. Consistency is key. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Step 5. Be authentic. Step 6. Evaluate and adjust. Watch till the end to understand what you have to do in these steps. Step 1. Define your brand's identity. The first step in creating a social media brand is to define your brand's identity. Ask yourself questions like, what are your values? What sets you apart from the competition? What kind of tone do you want to convey to your audience? Once you have a clear understanding of your brand identity, you can start creating content that aligns with those values. Step 2. Choose the right platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equal, and it's important to choose the right ones for your brand. Consider your target audience, the type of content you want to share, and the goals you want to achieve. For example, if you're a visual brand, platforms like Instagram and Pinterest might be a better fit than Twitter. Step 3. Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial when it comes to building a successful social media brand. This includes consistency in your branding, tone, and content. Use the same profile picture, color scheme, and messaging across all of your platforms to help build brand recognition. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Engagement is one of the most important aspects of building a successful social media brand. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in conversations with your followers. This will help you build a strong relationship with your audience and establish trust. Step 5. Be authentic. Social media is all about being authentic and genuine. Don't try to be someone you're not, and don't try to copy someone else's success. Instead, focus on being true to your brand's identity and creating content that reflects who you are and what you stand for. Step 6. Evaluate and adjust. Finally, it's important to regularly evaluate your social media strategy and make adjustments as needed. This includes tracking your performance, listening to your audience, and being open to feedback. The goal is to continuously improve and grow your brand. Thanks for watching. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful social media brand. Remember, building a brand takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Good luck!